Andun na naman. Ayan.
By a new office
Tram.
off to the left. Just, ready for the floor coverings. Now we're going to go left here along the terrace, through the main retail and banking area.
Ayun. Dito lang yan sa Christchurch, New Zealand. Gusto mo mag-relax time. Yan. Sa tram train. Sakay ka lang dyan sa tram train.
Right. Over to the left there, the Lion and the Unicorn. That's a public trust building. It's got a rooftop restaurant and bar
Yan,
there
mga
called
inaano
Mr.
niya, public
Brightside.
trust office building. Yan.
Late midnight.